Hello guys, welcome to today's live video. In today's video is going to be very special. We are going to talk about the August month PNL account for 2023. I know it's been a while that I've posted a video. The reason for this is I'm planning out a new strategy, and based on that I want to actually start releasing option strategy videos both for low VIX environment, medium VIX environment and high VIX environment, right? So this is my plan for the upcoming weeks. So if you're new to this channel and this is the first video you're seeing of us, please do take a minute and consider subscribing to the channel. We come live almost every day of the week. We also do a lot of PNL, verified PNL statements, so that you guys get motivation that it is actually possible to make money with options trading. So without further ado, let us quickly look at my screen. So I have my positions open here. So these are my open positions. This week I have a lot of positions in terms of iron flies and small quantities. So let us first look at these positions. It's in a current PNL of about 28,000. Okay. We will talk more about this, but let us now get to our verified PNL. So before we get to the verified PNL, I want to first show you the PNL for the month of August. Okay, so August 1st to August 31st in futures and options. So August 1st to August 31st in futures and options, we had a net realized PNL of 1.72 lakhs, out of which charges were 30,000, which is quite high if you ask me. We had some small debits and so on. Overall, the month we have ended with a 1.45 lakhs profit for the month of August. Now what I've done is, after the latest change with Zerodha, it's giving you the option to either have 90 days, 30 days and so on for the PNL. Okay, so what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to just put my 90-day PNL here. Okay, there you go. So I'm just creating this in front of you. So this is my link, guys. It's a 90-day PNL. Okay, just give me 1 second. Right, so I'm going to create this in my 90-day PNL. We can also have a 30-day PNL, but the 30-day PNL doesn't give you a full picture of August. That's why I'm doing a 90-day PNL. Save. And just a second. Yeah, that's it. So this is my live PNL link. I've also posted this in the description of this video, guys. So please do go ahead and check that. This is my, just give me 1 second. I'll just put you guys on mute here. All right, guys. Sorry, I'm back. There's just someone at the door. All right. So if you see here, this is my 3 months PNL from since July 11th to the current date. Okay. So please do check that when you get a chance. I will post this link in the description and in the comment section below. Okay. So we've had a great month in August. I'm really excited. But the good part about August was it is actually a very tough month. Okay. I'll tell you why. If you look at the initial phase, right? Day 1, day 2. So day 1, day 2, day 3. The first 2 days we have made great profits, okay, in August. If you see, I was already plus 1 lakh in the first and second day. Now the third day I've got a big loss of 60,000. Then I go further up here, 38,000 loss, then 19,000 loss, then a very small profit, 26,000 profit, 39,000 loss, 50,000 loss. Now if you see, this whole second week of August was a very bad period for us in terms of our strategy, right? The market was very volatile. It used to go up, down, and both of our stop losses would get hit. But I think here's where we need to learn and understand a little bit about what is our overall strategy, right? So for us, the overall strategy is very clear. Our overall strategy is that irrespective of what the market does, I am a system based trader. I am someone who follows a set of guidelines. I enter at certain point, I exit at certain point, and if there is a loss, I take that loss. Intraday, this is my plan. Positional, I do adjustments and all of that, but intraday, I do not do any of this. I'm a strict systems based neutral option seller. Cool. So for me, this period was very hard because I had to take losses but still keep my psychology really tough and make sure I stick to the strategy that I've defined. So I did that. I did not increase or decrease my lot sizes. We've not done any of that. So the next day we have seen a very small profit, 14,000. We did not trade on a Tuesday. Wednesday again there's a 10,000 profit. The next day 77,000 loss. Now if you see how bad it is on the psychology that you've had so many losses, very small profits, then bam, a big loss, right? And then the next day after that, so 77,000 loss, then the next day 40,000 loss. Imagine for a person, if you keep seeing these, it'll affect your mental resilience on the strategy, on the belief of the strategy a lot, right? So the next we've now made 7,000 profit, loss. But after that, it's been an amazing green run. So we've made 8,340, 97,000 in a single day, 56,000 in a single day. Then there's an 80,000 loss. So you see the 90,000 that we made here, we've lost here 80,000. Okay. But the beauty is I did not lose 80,000 on an intraday trade. Intraday, my losses are fixed. I make a maximum loss of 35,000 to 40,000 on the lot size. This is including my intraday loss and positional loss. On a single day, 80,000 was gone. But the next day we made 38,000 profit, 41,000 loss. So if you see net, till the last day, till August 29th, I was actually net maybe in a loss of 20,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees for that month. So my goal was, boss, isko kaise bhi, we'll make it zero and we are done. This week it's okay, I'll take a loss this month. Then comes the amazing move. See, because if you think about it also, the market has been range bound for quite some time. It did not trend, right? So it's very important that you wait for that one trend that will change everything for you, which is exactly what happened on 30th August, Wednesday. I remember it very explicitly because that day was amazing. We've seen the highest profit ever recorded on our channel, on our account, 1,97,000 on a single day from intraday. Beautiful day. I will show you this also. So let us go ahead and look at 30th of August. Yeah, somewhere here. Let me check. There you go. That's it. So 30th of August, we did the same that we always do. We did a short straddle at 920. Okay. So the market kept coming down, and here somewhere our put stop loss was hit, but our call was still there. And because it's a call sell, as the market started falling, our call price started plummeting. And because I bought it, I think I sold it around 500 rupees or something. I bought it back at 70 or 80 rupees. All of that was the profit that we made on that particular day. So let me show that to you in detail also. So that day we made 1,97,000. The next day we made 71,000. Beautiful closing for that. For that whole month. Now let us look at this day, FNO. So if you see in this day, I will look at realized. Now in realized also, if you see intraday profits, here. So one leg, the intraday leg, 420 quantity is all my intraday leg day, guys. So 420, and I think we did not buy another hedge. So one leg had made a 1,60,000 profit, which is a 469% return. So mind blowing. But the point is, what I sold for 467, I had bought back at 82 rupees, right? So 400% profit on this leg, 1,61,000. The same counterparty leg here, maybe somewhere around here, I think we have made a loss of 37,000. Yeah, we sold for 476, we bought it back at 572, so we made a loss of 37,000. So 37,000, I mean 161 minus 37, that has been our intraday PNL, and then these were our positional strategies which had matured on that day. So all in all, for that day we have made a total net realized PNL after removing charges of 1,95,000 rupees on a single day. Mind blowing day. I was really happy, and it's a very fun trading session. What I want you to take away from this whole experience was, imagine if I did not stick to my strategy, and because I was scared or because of some reason, I decided to reduce my lot size. Okay, I said, okay, 420, I'm making a lot of losses, let us cut it down to 210. When I had this rally, I would have not made 1,97,000, I'd probably make only 1 lakh. So the point that I'm trying to drive home by showing you this PNL or by showing you our monthly statement is that please do thorough back test for any strategy that you learn. Minimum, I want you to do a back test for 1 year, 2-3 years of back test, if possible 5 years of back test also, and get a complete confidence on the system. You should trust the system so much that if I wake you up in the middle of the night and I ask you, hey, this is the scenario, what would you do? You have to blindly go ahead and tell exactly at 9:20, this is what I'm going to do, and stick to that system over and over and over again. If you do that, there will be ups, there will be downs, but at the end of over a large number of trades, you will be profitable if that system has an edge. See, sticking to a system is good, but if the system doesn't have a positive expectancy, there is no point of sticking to it, right? So step one, get a theory or get a strategy that has a positive expectancy. It can include short straddles, it can include your positional iron condors, it can include iron flies, whatever it is, right? A positive expectancy strategy, which means the risk should be 1, reward should be 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Get that, back test it, step 2. Step 3, forward test it with 1 lot or 2 lots for a long period, 1 month or 2 months, till you get confidence. Step 4, slowly increase the lot size. After 2-3 wins, increase the lot size by say 2 lots or 3 lots. Again, wait for 2-3 wins, increase the lot size. Whenever you get losses, do not go back and decrease the lot size. Once you've increased, you have to stick to it for a certain time. So make sure that when you increase the lot size, you do it gradually. Okay, and stick to your position sizing, stick to your risk to reward ratio, and I'm 100% confident that if you follow strategies, you will be able to see profits over a long period of time. That is the trick, guys. Think about trading like a casino, right? There's this latest book that I'm also reading. It goes back to the basics. I want you to if you are new to futures and options, do give this a read. It's by R. Mahajan, Futures and Options, Introduction to Equity Derivatives, right? So I want to slowly get into stock derivatives also. I want to explore that side. So that's why I'm reading this. So if you guys are interested, read these books. But there's a book called Trading Like a Casino, right? Or there's a video, I think. In that, they tell you the same thing, right? Someone who comes to play roulette, okay? Russian roulette, where you put a dice and you decide which number comes, green or what number out of 31. So the problem is the person goes to the casino maybe once in a year, once in 6 months, and he throws 3-4 dice and he comes back and he thinks, okay, gambling is or speculation is bad. But think about the casino. The casino is there every day, 365 days, playing odds on roulettes, and it has a positive expectancy on that. So for the market, be like a casino. Show up every day, do the same thing every day. Imagine a casino comes and says, boss, this time my roulette ring has red, green, yellow and orange. It adds 2 more colors. Do you think the casino will win over a long time? No, because it's not sticking to its strategy. trade and think like a casino, where not like the player, not like the gambler, think like a casino, make it a business, show up every day, show up at the same time, do the same boring strategy consistently over a long period of time, and you will see returns, guys. That's it for today. Thank you so much for signing up and choosing to watch this video. If you're new to this channel, please do consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to us. We are a small channel and we are trying to go with a lot of value to offer, so please do consider subscribing. And as a signing off, final takes, this has been our PNL account for sorry, not this has been our PNL account for the month of August. Just giving you a rundown of right, for the month of August, 1,72,000, out of which 1,45,000 has been realized PNL for the month of August. I've also given you a verified PNL link that you guys can go and check out for yourself. Do a thorough research. I know there has been a lot of speculation nowadays about PNLs and people sharing just screenshots randomly. That's why I want to make sure we give you a verified link so that you can trust in our system. Okay, please do all your research before you enter any strategy, guys. We are not SEBI registered. This is only for an educational purpose. I just like to share strategies and my progress with you. If you have any doubts, please do consider leaving a comment and reaching out to me via email also. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Thank you so much. Please do like the video and share it with your family and friends, and I'll see you on the next one.